Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a sliced text effect in Canva where we split a word into two and have another text in between for a bold, modern look. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Create the base text. Choose your preferred dimensions. Add your first word. I'm using make to create Make It Happen. Choose a bold font, adjust the size, and center the text. Change the background to a vibrant pink for a more eye-catching design. Step 2. Download and reinsert as an image. Click Share. Download and save it as a PNG. Add a new page and drag the downloaded image into it. Step 3. Slice the text for the effect. Duplicate the image so there are two copies stacked on top of each other. Resize each image separately to create a sliced effect, one on top and one on the bottom. Add the middle text, It Happened, in between. Adjust the size and font. Bonus. Add animation for a dynamic look. Select the top text slice and apply an animation. Apply the same animation to the bottom slice for consistency. For the middle text, choose a different animation to make it stand out. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy designing.